Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the steps in painting the Honda CBX. I got the paint colors off the International CBX Owners Association website. Thank you for that. At this point all the bodywork has been completed and it was sprayed with a black epoxy primer. After the primer was applied, I sanded it with 600 wet dry sandpaper and then taped off the black stripe. Once the black primer is clear coated, it will look just like the original black paint. Next I applied 3 coats of silver metallic. This will act as the base coat for the candy red. After the silver metallic has dried, I once again sand with a 600 wet sandpaper. Be very patient with this step and don't get too aggressive with the sandpaper. Now the first coat of candy red is applied. As you can see, it's not deep enough like the original color, so we will apply multiple coats. This is after the third coat of candy red, still not quite dark enough. It took 4 coats of the candy red to achieve the desired color. Next, the black stripe was unmasked and once again sanded with 600 wet sandpaper. Next, I applied 3 coats of clear, waiting 15 minutes between each coat. After the clear is dried, I once again sand with the 600 wet sandpaper. Next, the decals and stripes were applied using lots of soapy water. This takes some patience to get everything lined up and correct. Finally, I applied 3 more coats of clear. It's really come together and I think it looks amazing. Thanks for watching.